Becoming a mortgage loan originator can feel like a maze when you're new. Licenses, education, background checks, sponsorships, testing, it's a lot. But the path is actually straightforward when you see the steps in order. Today, we're walking through the full process so you can stop guessing and start doing. Becoming a mortgage loan originator starts with education and ends with a license. Let's walk through it step by step, beginner to licensed. Step 1. Age and diploma. You need to be at least 18 and have a high school diploma or equivalent. No exceptions there. Step 2. Pre-licensing education. You'll take a required mortgage licensing course that covers lending laws, ethics, loan products, and the mortgage process. Think of this as your foundation stage. This is where the confidence begins. Step 3. Find sponsorship. To activate your license later, you'll need sponsorship from a mortgage company or lending institution. This is normal. It's not a setback. It's how the industry works. You get licensed, then you get backed by a company to originate loans. Step 4. Background check and fingerprints. You'll complete a criminal background check and submit fingerprints. Be honest on your application, always. If something needs explanation, you explain it clearly and early. Step 5. Register for the licensing exam. The mortgage licensing exam tests national lending laws, loan calculations, ethics, and mortgage fundamentals. No state content unless you add it later. This is the big milestone. Step 6. Study with intention. Focus on practice questions, loan math, lending terminology, and the core steps of the mortgage process. You don't need to memorize everything, but you do need to understand the flow. Step 7. Pass the test. You need a passing score to move forward. If you don't pass on the first try, it's okay. Most MLOs build their exam confidence by retesting with smarter study strategies. Step 8. Submit your license application. Once you pass, you'll finalize your mortgage license application and upload your course completion certificate. This is where the process starts feeling real. Step 9. Activate your license with your sponsor. After approval, your sponsoring company will help you activate your license so you can start originating loans. This is the transition from aspiring to practicing. Step 10. Start doing the job. You'll now work directly with borrowers, run credit reports, calculate loan options, prepare applications, explain interest rates, and guide clients through approvals and closing. You're helping people pay less, borrow smarter, and buy property with clarity. Final checkpoint. Ask yourself this. Do you like guiding people through big financial decisions? Do you enjoy learning, problem solving, and explaining complex steps in a simple way? If yes, this career will feel less like selling and more like service. You grow into the confidence by doing the steps. And Real Estate U is built to help beginners start that process clearly in the right way. Thinking about real estate isn't the leap. Getting licensed is. And Real Estate U is the easiest place for beginners to start the climb. When you're ready for that first real step, go to realestateu.com.